Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 3 says a car is rated to get 24 miles per gallon. What is this rating in kilometers per liter? So this is going to be a unit conversion, and I want to have miles per gallon and look at it as kilometers per liter. So I can use a factor label method or dimensional analysis to get from one set of units to the other set of units. So I'm going to start with the information that I have, which is 24 miles per every 1 gallon. And now I'm going to multiply by a series of forms of 1, values of 1 in different ratios, in order to divide out the units that are there and move over to the units that I want. So I want to move from miles to kilometers and gallons to liters. So the other thing that I'm going to need to do is either look up on a conversion sheet, or I can look up online conversions between miles and kilometers and gallons and liters. So if I do that, I find out that 1 mile is equal to 1.609 kilometers approximately. And I also find out that 1 gallon is equal to 3.785 liters approximately. So first I'm going to divide out the miles. So I want to divide out the miles. I'm going to put that in the denominator, and then I want to compare it as a ratio to kilometers. So every 1 mile is the same as 1.609 kilometers, and I can divide out my miles unit. So I have my kilometers in the numerator where I want them. The second thing I'm going to have to do is divide out the gallons that was in the denominator, so I'll need it in the numerator, and replace that with liters. That version of 1, or ratio, would be 1 gallon to every 3.785 liters. And so if I multiply across the top and multiply across the bottom and punch that into a calculator, 24 times 1.609 times 1, in the numerator I will get 38.616. In the denominator, if I multiply 1 by 3.785, obviously I will just get 3.785. The last step would then be to divide the 2 out and round off. I would get approximately 10.2, and my unit in the numerator now is kilometers, and my unit in the denominator now is liters. And so my answer would be 10.2 kilometers per liter.